すローマ字ラジオの心臓がこういうとこ撮っとき。
Howdy YouTube! Thank you for finding me on YouTube. If you are new, my name is Mabu Nakagawa. I'm a YouTuber who started my channel in Shiga Prefecture 2 years ago. For those who are new to my channel, I'm pretty sure you guys don't know anything about my hometown. This is where I live. That's called Shiga Prefecture. It's very famous place, everybody. Easy to access to Kyoto, Osaka, and Kobe in Kansai regions. Public transportation is super convenient, and more importantly, local food is exquisite. Why am I presenting you about Shiga? Because I got you for the first time. I'm not gonna let you go, okay? I drag you down and make you watch until this episode is over because today's video is super exciting. I promise. If you can just stick with me for 10 to 15 minutes, I very much appreciate it. And if you enjoy being with me on this platform on YouTube, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, okay? Don't forget to ring the bell before you change other channel, alright? Plus, I have social media with Instagram as well as Twitter. Please go ahead and follow me going forward. I always welcome you. Apparently, I look very casual today because I got so sick last week. I got a sudden gout attack while traveling around the Tohoku regions. I still can't walk straight without this clutch right here. But I'll be okay. Yeah, I'll be alright if I take more rest. Please don't worry about that. Thank you for your kind message on social media, though. I can't thank you enough. I'll take more it will take me more some more time to recover my gout because hospital will be closed during the Golden Week holidays. It's still so much painful, but I'm gonna pull my together as long as you are with me. Okay? Thanks for cheering me up as always. I'm very happy with that. いつもありがとうございます。これからも頑張りますので、どうぞよろしくお願いします。You got my Japanese, right? Yes? Cool! Alright, let's begin everyone.
카고, これか。わかった。
Today, I'm gonna give you a quick cooking recipe of my local cuisine. I've got a magical herb to share with you. The one that has been used through all kinds of rich history with lots of medical uses to protect us from evil spirits and to help us to lose our weight and burn fat and all kinds of other things. So this is what it is. Mugwort. I hope my pronunciation is right. So we're gonna talk about the mugwort in collaboration with Japanese rice cake. Okay, here we go.
This is my house.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick up some mugwort. こんな感じで。This is one of the most delicate and dainty plants I know about the slightly bitter flavor. It's being used in soups and stews, but especially something called mochi balls, which look like rice patty balls. Okay, actually it's cultivated in a place like this. It likes to grow in this kind of disturbed soils where we are at right now, and it's more like invasive weed. We have a lot of history of using this plant in Japanese traditional cuisine. My dad has been through with many types of amazing cooking recipes. So today I'm with my dad and we're gonna make a mugwort rice cake. Sounds cool, right? Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, I'm so excited about being with my dad because he's been away from me for a long time. So this was a great opportunity for me and him to work together. So yeah, April is the best season we can pick up mugwort because it's just abundant. and you'll see it all through the world. When you go to Asia or Europe, there's a lot of mugwort growing besides houses, growing along roadways.
Snake.
It's pretty dirty though. When I was a kid, my grandma would ask me to gather as many mugwort as I could, and we would use it in a lot of culinary dishes. So I got this, lots of it, and I'm gonna take it back home and try to make a yomogi mochi. Okay, so here we go. This is a mugwort we just picked up yesterday, and now we just rinse them so.たまにこれ砂が混じったりしてんやろ。
ゴミがある。
食用重曹炭酸。開けてみて。
いっぱいか。
そこにいっぱいぐらい。これ何のために入れんの？
色を良くするため。
色を良くするため。
炭酸。
いっぱい。水、お湯はどれぐらいでいいの？
今ぐらい。
今ぐらい適当？
適当や。
煮汁がいっぱい出てきてるの。
あ、こんでる。
あ、よもぎの香りがする。はい。これ残り汁は捨てんの？
捨てる。これちょっと置いとこう。はい、終わり。
はい、じゃあこのもち米を使います。はい、どうぞ。どれぐらい使うの？全部使うの？
全部や。
はい。
1キロ。
1キロ。はい。水じゃないかな。5、6時間浸しとくの。
はい。はい。これ今度終わり。
ここにお湯入れんの？
これ水でもいいけど。水でもいいなと。
はい。
な。ちょっとしてやって。こんな。これこう入れて。
このよもぎは絞って湯がいてこう細かく切って。
細かく切らんのもいいけど。
This is also called yomogi in Japanese. It's just a nice, gentle plant that has great flavor when we add it to all kinds of foods. So in Japan, when it comes to cooking with mugwort, it's commonly used with mochi rice cake because it's super easy to cook. It's also used with fermented beverages. although I didn't drink at all because it smells so bad. This plant has a lot of benefits for healing inflammation as well as a digestive system, which I deserve the most. For those who having a hard time digestion fat, this might be one of the herbs to add into the food. That's a part of the reasons why I'm presenting this video how I'm trying to lose my weight. I've seen so many Japanese cultures in my culinary dishes because mugwort is a great one for helping my digestion. When I realized how this plant was helping me with my gut health condition, I've come to love it so much for many uses. I'm not quite sure if I have shown you soft ice cream with yomogi flavor in Kochi Prefecture when I went on a trip. I posted some detailed pictures on Instagram, so if please take a moment if you are interested, of course. I hope I could give you a glimpse into some ways in which this herb can be used. It's abundant and easy to find everywhere in local places once you tap into where it grows. You can just pick it.
よいしょ。
Here we go. I'm gonna show you how to make yomogi mochi in Japanese traditional way. I hope you would love it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below in the description section. I'll wait for you. Okay? So red bean. 形を整えて、
はい、これじゃあね。
完成です。よもぎ餅、あんこ入り。
こっちだね。
ダメがよければ。
そうやな。
はい、できました。Okay, so let's try one. 丹波で買った黒豆茶を入れます。はい、じゃあ。よもぎ茶には黒豆茶があります。Alright, that's pretty much all for today. Thank you for joining me and learning how to make rice cake with mugwort. Hopefully you get out and enjoy this plant, and I'll see you another video of Nakagawa House. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye.